Ever wonder why you're still hunting for Wi-Fi passwords in 2026? You have a device more powerful than most laptops in your backpack, yet it's basically a paperweight the second you leave your house. If you're still relying on your phone's hotspot or spotty coffee shop Wi-Fi, you're using your iPad wrong. It's time to talk about why 5G isn't just a luxury anymore, it's the missing piece that finally makes the iPad the perfect computer. For a long time, the common advice was to save your money. People said you didn't need a cellular iPad because your iPhone could just share its connection. Even the most hardcore iPad fans used to believe this. But as the iPad evolved into a primary work machine, that logic started to fail. When you switch to an M4 or M5 iPad Pro as your main computer, you realize that being tethered to a phone is a massive bottleneck. The regret of not having built-in 5G hits hardest when you're traveling or working remotely. Once you make the jump to a cellular model, there is no going back. It changes the device from a tablet you use at home into a truly portable workstation that is always ready. One of the biggest hurdles is the price. Apple charges a premium for cellular models, and that extra cost often turns people away. It feels like a lot of money for a feature you might not use every single day. However, you have to look at the long-term value. iPads are not like phones, people don't trade them in every 2 years. Most users keep their iPads for 4 or 5 years because the chips inside are incredibly powerful. When you spread that extra cost over half a decade, it becomes a very small investment for a massive amount of freedom. Plus, if you realize later that you need cellular, you can't just add it on. You're stuck buying a whole new device. Buying cellular is buying flexibility for the future. The way we work has completely changed. We aren't sitting at desks all day anymore. We work from airports, hotels, and cafes. Built-in 5G removes all the friction of being productive on the go. You don't have to deal with insecure public Wi-Fi or annoying login portals that never seem to work. You just open your iPad and you are online instantly. In many cases, 5G is actually faster than the Wi-Fi you find in public spaces. With unlimited data plans becoming more common, you don't even have to worry about data caps anymore. You can upload large files and join video calls without any stress. The iPad was designed to be portable, and it only reaches its full potential when it's fully connected everywhere. A common misconception is that you need an expensive separate data plan. Many carriers now let you add an iPad to your existing phone plan for a very low cost, or sometimes even for free. Since most iPads now use eSIM, setting this up is incredibly easy. If you are already paying for unlimited data on your phone, you might already have everything you need to get your iPad online. It simplifies your life and ensures that your most capable device isn't held back by a lack of internet. Finally, we have to talk about why the iPhone hotspot is a bad solution. It is inconsistent, it drains your phone's battery, and it often disconnects at the worst times. The iPad actually has much better antennas than the iPhone because its larger body allows for more powerful hardware. This means your iPad will often get a better signal and faster speeds than your phone in the exact same spot. In fact, your iPad can act as a better hotspot for your other devices than your phone ever could. When you stop relying on your phone to provide internet, both devices perform better. 5G is no longer just an option for the iPad, it is the essential feature that makes it a pro device. In my opinion, the cellular iPad is the only version worth buying if you actually plan to get work done. The freedom of never thinking about Wi-Fi again is worth every penny of the upgrade cost. It turns the iPad into a truly independent machine that can handle any task, anywhere in the world. If you want to unlock the full power of your M-series chip, stop tethering and start using 5G. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon like that.